Hello class, let us continue to do our chapter 2 related to the topic send the sentence, and today we are going to do exercise number 2.5 given at page number 8. So here we are with the exercise. Rewrite the following exclamatory sentences as assertive sentences. It means the given sentence is in exclamatory form and we have to convert it into assertive. Student, assertive means the statement or the declarative sentences in which you declare something, in which you state something, जिसमें आप कुछ कहते हो, कोई information share करते हो, declare करते हो उस information को. So here we are with the first sentence. It is done for us. What a nice building. कितनी सुंदर बिल्डिंग है, कितनी अच्छी बिल्डिंग है. Now we are expressing our feeling of joy and it is in exclamatory form. Now in order to convert it into assertive sentence, we have to convert it into statement. The building is very nice. What a nice building. So we have to convert it into very nice. मतलब बहुत सुंदर बिल्डिंग है. The building is very nice. बिल्डिंग बहुत अच्छी है. Here it is given. Just look at the structure of the sentence. What a nice. कितनी सुंदर. So for the word कितनी, for the word what, we will add up the word very. The building is very nice. At number 2, how rude the shopkeeper was. Now we will add up the shopkeeper. The first letter will always be capital. Keep it in mind, always in sentences. The shopkeeper was, it is in past tense, was, how rude, कितना rude था, was very, the shopkeeper was very rude. As we have converted into assertive sentence, means statement or declarative, we will add up here full stop. The shopkeeper was very rude. बहुत rude था मैम वो shopkeeper. Next is, what a grand party it was. What a grand party it was. So you will convert it into statement form. It was, I capital, it was a very grand party. Now we have converted the exclamatory sentence into the statement form, into the assertive one. So we will add up full stop at the last of the sentence. What a grand party it was. कितनी भव्य पार्टी थी, कितनी शानदार पार्टी थी. Grand means बहुत शानदार. So in simple form we will say it was a very grand party. At number 4 we are having how warmly she welcomed the guests. उसने गेस्ट को कितनी गर्मजोशी से उसने वेलकम किया था. Now we are expressing our feelings कि कितनी गर्मजोशी से उसने वेलकम किया था गेस्ट को. Here we are adding up the sign of exclamation. Now in order to convert it into assertive form, what we will do, we will add up she welcomed, subject plus verb at the first place. She welcomed the guest quite warmly. Beta, quite or very, they are, you can say, the synonyms of each other. You can add up any word. She welcomed the guests quite warmly. It means to a great extent. Very means also to a great extent, and the word quite also refers to a great extent or a great degree. She welcomed the guests quite warmly. Next is how clean the school campus is. Again, we will add up first the subject. The school campus is very clean, because we know that in assertive sentences at first place subject will be added, then verb will be added, and then the other related words will be added. The school campus is very clean. How clean the school campus. School campus कितना साफ था, आप बोलते हैं ना ऐसे. So the school campus is very clean. Next is what rubbish it is truly. ये सच में कितना rubbish है, कितना ये बेकार है. What rubbish it is truly. So we will add up subject at first place, then verb, and later on the rest of the words. It is truly quite rubbish. Quite means to a great degree or to a great extent. बहुत ज़्यादा. It is truly quite rubbish. यह सच में बहुत ज़्यादा rubbish था. Next is हाउ स्मार्ट योर न्यू ड्राइवर इज़, आपका न्यू ड्राइवर तो बहुत स्मार्ट है. इट मीन्स योर न्यू ड्राइवर is very smart. Your new driver is very smart. Sign off, full stop will be added here. At last we see what a memorable day it was. So you will add up, it was a very memorable day. Let's have a look at the sentence number 8. What a memorable day it was. यह कितना memorable day था. Yes. Now in order to convert it into assertive, what we will do, we will add up subject plus verb. It was a very means बहुत ज़्यादा, to great extent, बहुत ज़्यादा, very memorable day. Now we have converted into statement form or assertive or declarative. Any word students you can use, don't get confused. Any word you can use, all the words are having same meanings. After that you will add up full stop here. You see that I have added full stop at the last of all the sentences. So I hope that the exercise is quite clear to you. Go through it once again. Thanks for watching the video. Good.